In this example, we're going to show how to destroy a contract once you've created it. Destroy can be useful when you don't want the contract to be used anymore. So once it's destroyed, normally you couldn't interact with it anymore. Okay, so we have a smart contract here with a factory, and that factory can deploy a child. So that's this function. So let's first deploy the factory. And now we're going to deploy a child. And we're going to check the address. So that's this address. And when we call child name, it's over here, it's having a look at the deployed contract and then calls that function name, and then you see the child. So this shows the string child. Now we're going to call destroy child. So this function, and it's calling destroy from the child. So that's this one, and it's calling the self-destruct function here. And what that does, it destroys the child and then sends any ETH that's left in that contract to message sender. So that's in this case the factory, and that could be any address. So you can also send it to somebody else. Now, an additional detail that's in an interesting fact of Solidity that you wouldn't expect is the so-called Create2 function. So we've deployed the child here with the Create2 function, and you can see that by this fact, the salt that we've added over here, and that indicates that we're using the Create2 function. And what that does, when you deploy the child again, then we have to remember this address, starting with 8A. So when we retrieve deployed, it's still 8A, so it's redeployed at the same address. So if you destroy the child, deployed is set to 0 again. And when we redeploy it again, it's set to the same address. So if we check out the child name, we still get child back. So this way we destroy the contract and recreate it at exactly the same address. And in the meantime, all the ETH is gone, and any variables that are in the child are also cleaned up again.